So today I am solving a LeetCode uh, hard question, which is meeting room start. So in this question, what we have given is that we have n rooms uh, in which we have to arrange meetings, and the meeting start and end time are given. So meeting will start at given start time and end at given end time. But here is a twist. There is like you can see that here bracket is closed and this bracket is open. So end time will not be considered into the meeting. Means if list wait. So So what we have given is that we have given n, which is number of rooms, and we have given a 2D array meetings in which we have given many meetings start and end time. So here we'll have start time and end time. So what I'm saying is that in the given question we have said that the start time will be closed and end time will be open. Means if we have a meeting which is starting at 0 and ending at 10, and this is given like this, then the meeting is considered to be continue from 0 to 9 only, 0 to 9 minutes only, and it will end before starting the 10th minute. So this is the problem. And what is the target? The target is to uh, find the maximum, find the room, ठीक है, okay, find the room which will have maximum meetings. Means which room can be used for maximum meetings. So this is the problem, and what we'll be doing is that according to the end time, because here we have given that start time is unique. So uh, if, if this meeting is starting from here and ending at here, then another meeting will not start here. This will start from here and end here, or it can end at the same time, but not no two meetings will be starting with the same time. This is the problem, and what is given is that start will be unique, end can't say. So for this question, what we will be doing is that for maintaining the minimum end time, what just like say if we have this example number 1, which has given n equals to 2, and meeting we have are 0 to 10 and 1 to 5 and 2 to 7 and 3 to 4. So we have given n equals to 2, means we have two rooms, room number 1, room number 2. But here in this question we are considering 0 index best, so that will be best for us. So this is the 0th room number, and uh, this is the 0th room number, and this is the first room number. So these are the meetings we have to put into this room, into this duration, for this duration. So the first meeting, first what we will do is that we will sort the meetings, because according to start time they will perform. So we have to consider all the meetings, and these are the meetings 1 2 3 4, and after sorting these will be in this manner. And when the first meeting will be considered, then the first means 0th room will be captured with this meeting, first meeting, and it will be captured for the ninth minutes, means at 10th time it will be uh, free. So the first meeting will be captured for 0 to 9 and free at 10th, and second meeting will be captured in, and this is the room number 0, and second meeting will be from 1 to 4th and free at 5th minute, and it will be captured in room number 1. So room number 1 will be free at 5th. So what I am telling is that we will use a priority queue, PQ, in which we will put these meetings, and according to this end time, means 10th and 5th, we will pop out the minimum end time meeting, which is the second, because after completion of the second meeting, because first meeting will be ended after ninth minute, and second meeting is ending at 5th minute. So we will get this meeting from the min heap after using, so after using priority queue min heap, we will get the meeting having earliest end time. This is why we will use priority queue, and to consider that which room number is used when this meeting is considered to be continue. So for that we will be using another data structure, that is hash map. So hash map will be used to consider that for this meeting which room is used, because we have to finally we have to find out that which room is used maximum time. That is the problem. So for that we will be using map to consider that which meeting is used in which room, and when we push into priority queue, the end time will be considered for minimum heap, and start time will be for checking the room. Like start time is unique and it will always be unique, so we will use map start time to start time will be used to identify the meeting because it is unique. So because of this is unique, we can use this to identify any meeting, that this meeting is used in this room and this meeting is used in this room. So using map we can do that. So while popping out from the priority queue, we'll check that which start time, uh, which meeting is popping out. And to identify that, we will check the start time, and with the start time, we can identify that from which room it is popping out. So if we have two rooms and one meeting is popping out from 0, then we will get that this meeting is popping out from 0 and one is already occupied. Then the 0th room will be considered to be free, and we can put another meeting into this room. That is why I considered a map for identifying the room, and I considered the priority queue for finding which meeting is getting first completed. So this is how we will approach this problem. And another problem here is also that if we have same end time like 4 and 1 4, then what will happen is that we will be like ending these meetings will be ending at the same time. So which room we will consider at this time? For this we will be using a set, and that set will uh, set, if you know, is that set always sort anything in increasing manner. So the minimum, if we find the minimum uh, indices of room free at same time, then using set we can get at get by just you will use that. If we consider s as set, then s dot begin will give the minimum star. You can use a pointer for that, and this will give you the minimum indices of the room that is free, and that will be considered to fill up with another meeting. So this is how it will be going, and finally we have to consider that which room is occupied maximum time. So for the maximum time considerations, we can use a vector of answer that will be just answer of room, and this is can be used to find the final answer. And whenever just when just we will popping out from priority queue that this meeting is done, then we will check the room that which room this meeting is belong to, and then that room will be uh, increment with this vector, and after all this process we will find the max of all the element in the answer by this function. Here max is not used, max element is used here. So this will be like this, and this will give you the final answer. That is what about the today's problem. This is good problem. You can consider it as a good problem and try it out. You can code it out. So thank you very much for this video, watching this video. See you later.